Okay, we're here at Padre Park in San Antonio, Texas, and we're coming to you live from the Fin Factory Demo Day. They're demoing kayaks today, several different brands, and obviously Hobie is one of them. I own two myself. It's a great way to get out, get the family out, do a little outdoor activity and fish, of course. That's what I do. And we're going to go down there and check them out. I've got several friends here, and I actually never been to Padre Park. It's really beautiful. So if you get a chance, come on out and come see what they got. They'll be here till 5 o'clock today. Okay, so we're down here at
Padre Park.
There you go, Padre Park. And we're talking with
Chloe Morales, the owner and store manager of Fin Factory San Antonio. We
Nice.
do premium kayaks, mainly fishing tailored kayaks, pedal driven, paddle, whatever works for you. We have something that will work for you. We've got a bunch of kayaks here right now, and we're just throwing them in the water as people come to try them out and really compare and contrast each of them. And it's a great opportunity for people to come out and really try it. It's one thing to look at them and shop, but getting them on the water and testing them between the two is obviously ideal. So we try to have these once every quarter, and now that we have this great, awesome location, it'll probably be happening every quarter for real this time.
Nice.
So we're just really excited, and thank you, of course, for the shout outs and all the support that you always give us. And yeah, definitely come check out our shop. We're located in the Medical Center, Huebner and Babcock area, and we're called Fin Factory Kayak and Tackle.
All right. Well, thank you so much. We're so glad to have you in San Antonio
Yeah.
as the premier kayak provider for our sport.
Yeah. We also work on them full time as well. We do install, service, all of that good stuff. So if you guys ever need anything, we don't discriminate on the kayak. Just bring them by. Plastic welding, rudder repair, tune-ups, whatever you may need. Yeah, we got you.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much,
Yeah.
and we'll look to see you in the future for all our kayak needs here in San
Awesome.
Antonio.
Thank you so much.
God bless you. Thank
God bless you.
Okay, we're here at Padre Park, and we're at the Fin Factory Demo Day, and they have all the different lines of kayaks here that you could purchase from them. And I'm sure they have other ones, but they have the Hoodoo here. Our friends of ours on the Hobie. What's that model out there? What is that? What's that model called? The Eclipse. Okay, Eclipse 2 it looks like. And then we have Sirocco over here. Stand up and fish? No, I don't think so, bro. I ain't standing to fish. So we have all. This is a duo, a tandem kayak. It's a Compass duo, and it's great if you want to go be intimate with someone. But we have all these different kayaks here from the Fin Factory. And, you can come out and try them out today. We have the Hobie Passport. This Expedition. It's pretty cool. It's a motorized kayak. Like the Crescent over there. The Hobie Compass. So I have quite a few kayaks you can demo. Here's the owner right there. And we really want to support her because, you know, this is the premier kayak provider in San Antonio. I mean, you could go to Walmart and you can go to Academy, but they don't have kayaks like this. These are premier kayaks, guys, and these kayaks make it easy for you to fish, to paddle, to sport, and they have a kayak for every type of scenario you could think of. We're down here at Padre Park in San Antonio, so hopefully you can get over to the Fin Factory and check it out. I brought some of my friends down today and their kids, and they're gonna try it out.
And then Buddy.
They have some free giveaways down here, some keychains and whatnot. Beautiful day on the water today. So, Timmy, you gonna try out a kayak?
He's ready.
Yeah? What are you gonna try out?
Dude, this
The
is
Eclipse,
Timmy.
right?
Oh man.
If they had a hard shell option,
They do.
for For the same
Yeah.
Eclipse?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Bay
It's called
fishing?
the Eclipse Endura because it's got that carbon fiber wrap around it.
Nice. We heard it here first, folks.
You know where to get it. You ready?
All right, let's go see Timmy go get on a kayak.
Let's do it.
Ooh, they have a Hobie bike. What? Is that an e-bike? I don't know. Got a bunch of people coming in. All right, Timmy, show us how to do it now.
Jimmy, you see that, Jimmy, you see this, the steering? Steering?
Yeah.
Steering is on your right side.
Yeah.
And she'll make sure you're safe.
So, yeah, it is. Let me get you a bigger one. I just rather you be comfy in it.
There you go. There's kayaks everywhere, folks. Come on out and try something new or something you've been wanting to do. And it'll be great. All right.
Jimmy's gonna try this.
Let me get you tightened up.
Well, looks like Timmy's getting it on the Eclipse out there. He might not come back.
See, that's why they don't want motorized vehicles on.
Yeah, I don't know who did.
Jimmy, try to turn. Try to turn.
Dad's over here trying to.
It's like a on dot.
I would, but it is.
Yeah?
On dot.
Yeah? Pretty cool, man. Hey, Amir, what do you think about that? It's pretty cool, right? Yeah. Timmy's doing a good job. See him out there. All right, so we're having a good time down here at Padre Park. Fin Factory's kayak demo day, demoing all kinds of kayaks. They got Voodoos and Crescents and Hobies, you know, and then they've got motorized kayaks even. So we're having a good time, and it's a beautiful day. And hopefully you support the Fin Factory and come out there and. Wow, pretty cool. You gonna go out so far?
No, I did it.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, let me try one more time. I mean, watch me.
All right, you gonna try one more time? All right. So far as getting on the Hobie Eclipse, and he's.
It's so weird. I'm used to freaking sitting down on these kayaks with my Hobie links. I'm like freaking on your feet, but this one's freaking like standing up.
Yeah.
Like jogging.
Yeah. Did you like it though?
Yeah, sort of.
But not for fishing or for fishing? Not for fishing. Your dad seems to think you can fish on that, but he would fish from a float.
Probably could, but I freaking don't recommend it for fishing.
Yeah. Is that a blow up one? Inflatable?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So this is an inflatable Hobie, and I was talking to the owner of, and she said they had a carbon fiber one that's solid. So that's
Wait, let's sign something for you, okay?
all right.
Drive it too?
Very good. We got more people coming. Y'all check out this Hobie e-bike, y'all. I totally want it.
Let me get.
It's kind of small, but there's a Crescent over there. It's got a motor on it.
Yeah, I got you. I got everything here.
All right.
Did you all want to try this one out in the tandem, or did you want to get like on a? You can try it. Okay. Did you want to get on another kayak so you can go with them? And...
Very cool. All right.
There we go.
Getting ready to get underway here. Looks pretty comfortable.
Forward.
I guess that's what you need. You need one of those angled ones.
I used the Yeti bucket when I did it.
Oh yeah,
That was perfect. There you go.
He's fixing to go. Got reverse. And forward. And he's off. Just that quick you're fishing. With power.
Oh, that looks wild.
He's out. Look at that. Heck yeah.
Or a solo steer? What is more stable?